Yeah, we got an oldie but goodie. Let's try it out and see. What you saying, guys and gents? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do a little bit of everything. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe on your way. So today we're going to be reviewing Coty Airspun Setting Powder. I know y'all have this powder. Y'all, for the setting powder review, we're gonna start off with moisturizing our face. I'm gonna moisturize my face with the LAHD Girl Primer. I just did a whole full review using this primer and I absolutely love it. Pro HD foundation, the color Warm Comment One Pump. We're going to that's enough. Now we're gonna apply some concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro HD concealer in the color Fawn. Okay, I like my concealer to dry a little bit before I blend it out, so just fine. Now we're gonna take a brush and we're gonna blend it out. I like to start from the bottom. For some reason my lash keep getting in my eye. It's still getting in. Oh, one coming down, that's why. Then our nose out with our finger. Okay, you guys, time for the setting powder review. Now I know y'all have this setting powder, okay? This setting powder, everybody literally raved about it. I had to find out about this setting powder from Malia J, and she raved about this setting powder. I talking rave. So if she raving about it, that means it's good. So let's give it a try. This is the Coty Loose Face Setting Powder. This is the Loose Face Setting Powder. Okay, it comes in a very big plastic jar. The color translucent. It says it's been a beauty legacy since 1935 and it's the original formula. Okay, this is now for the reveal. It comes with a puff powder and this is how it looks on the inside. It has like a little tape over the thing. It smells like, it has a distinct smell. It smells, it's scented, but I don't know what it smells like. It smells like powder, but not really powder. But it smells good. It ain't horrible. Okay, now it's a little bit hard to get on the next side. Let's see how it looks on the skin. Very smooth. Now let's apply it to the face. I'm gonna use the puff patch. It goes on, it's very lightweight. And this setting powder was so affordable, it was only $6. Literally. It's like nothing on my face. It's very smooth. I'm ready to just take this whole thing and put this over my face right now. Now we're gonna take a brush. I'm basically going to blend that. Very smooth look too. So we're gonna finish the rest of the makeup. And let's see how this goes. And we're gonna bronze our face. I just did a review on that. This is the Black Radiance bronzer. Literally raves about this bronzer. And plus the setting powder is doing its work. Like it's really smooth. Coty, you're doing your thing, y'all. And I'm just taking this bronzer and pushing it into my hairline. I am loving setting powder, okay? My face feels so lightweight now. With setting powder, sometimes it makes your makeup feel a little bit thick on. So this is giving me the smooth effect as well as a lightweight effect. So I would highly recommend this Coty Airspun because the way my face looks right now, I can't even believe this $6. Like I literally cannot believe this is $6. Like this blowing my mind right now. Still tripping over my con. Look at that. Look at it. Man, check out my next video, okay? I'm gonna do eyelashes. I'm using the Beauty mascara. and this is by Amuse Cosmetics. For some lips, I'm using the NYX pencil, color Rose Brown. I just love NYX lip pencils. The NYX lipstick rounder. It's my go-to lip, if you don't know. I love nude. I love the way it just makes you look natural. I still freaking out like how good this looks. So we're gonna do a picture outside, and then we're gonna do a picture in darker lighting to see exactly how this setting powder. Oh my god, I spray my face. Let me get some setting. Okay, you guys, so I just did my shots. I did outside in the dark. I also did flash, no flash. I did that. I absolutely love this powder. This powder is going to be my go-to from now on. I was previously using the Maybelline, but I just love the finish on my skin, and I hope you guys enjoy this powder, and I want you guys to try this powder. Like, try it. It's only $6. You're gonna love it. This setting powder, loose powder, whatever it is, try it. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching.